The Rafale, France's multi-role ace from Dassault Aviation. If you've ever wondered how one jet can dogfight at noon, strike targets by dusk and still bring back photos, this is it. First, design and engineering. French engineers designed the Rafale as a multi-role fighter, meaning it can do air combat, ground attack, and reconnaissance. Shape, software. Controls are tuned for agility and mission swap on the fly. Airframe construction, composite materials, aluminum, titanium. Composites cut weight and help with stealthy surfaces. Metal brings strength and heat tolerance. Engines, 2 Snecma M88 turbofans. Compact, efficient, punchy. Twin engine setup means strong thrust, high speed, and resilience if things get spicy. Avionics and radar. Big screens, sensor fusion. ASA radar, scans fast, tracks multiple targets, resists jamming. The jet's brain blends data so I get one clean picture instead of a dozen noisy ones. Weapons integration, Meteor missile, Mica missile, smart bombs, built-in cannon. Loadouts change permission, plug, program, go. Assembly and testing. Final assembly happens in France. Ground checks, flight trials, shake, stress, verify. Why it's famous. Chosen by multiple countries. Power, tech, reliability, agile in a dogfight, precise on strike, calm in bad weather. In short, Rafale is the Swiss Army knife of jets, lean, clever, mission ready. That's a wrap. If you want more clean tech breakdowns, hit subscribe. See you in the next one.